Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokili. Let us transcribe and sound the following words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to open up the slashes, and that is exactly what I am doing now. Okay, I'm done. The first word is coconut. Coconut. And this one is shell. And this is water. This is fruit. Hard. Health. No. And this is white. That's it. I'm done. Let's close them up so we can sound them together quickly. Coconut, shell, water, fruit, hard, health, medicinal, white. I'll go over it just once more. Coconut, shell, water, fruit, hard, health, medicinal, white. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.